has arrived to put an end to our eager waiting and tireless preparation for this event. Today marks a day for the celebration of 40 years of academic excellence of Holy Mother's English School. This year, our theme is Dignity, Freedom and Justice for All. I want to put some light on this theme. It's absolutely clear that we need to regain the universality of human rights, the indivisibility of human rights, and we need to find a new energy that motivate young people around the world, lest it puts an end to the massacre happening around the world, to the suffering of the people, children and womankind. Dignity of human being, even though it's not a fundamental right, but it's a human right universally accepted. Let's begin today's event with invocation to Almighty. I request Huma Ma'am, Mrs. Mehtab Durres Khan to join us on the stage. Let's begin today's event with invocation to Almighty. I call upon Afia Fatima and Umeza of class 9 to recite Khirat along with translation, followed by devotional song by Lalita and group.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Said Afia Fatima from class 9. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
And myself, Saida Umeza from class 9th. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, all praises for Allah, the Lord of the world, the Master of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those whom you have blessed, not the path of those whom you have incurred your wrath, nor the path of those whom you have gone astray. Amin.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
I request our primary section HM Mrs. Mala R to render welcome to our guest.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ದೀವಿಗೆ ಕಂಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲು ಕೈ ಬೀಸಿತು ಬೆಳಕು ತನ್ನಯ ಹೊಸಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲು ಶಿರವ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಿ ಕರವ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಜ್ಞಾನವ ಅರಸಿ ಬಂದ ಯಾತ್ರಿಕರು ನಾವು. ನೂರಾರು ಕನಸಿನ ಪುಸ್ತಕವ ಹೆಗಲು ಹೇರಿಸಿ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದ ಸಮವಸ್ತ್ರವ ಧರಿಸಿ ನವ ಗೆಳೆತನದ ಹೊಳೆಯ ಹರಿಸಿ ಹೊಸದೊಂದು ಚೇತನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ನಗುವಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವ ಅರಸಿ ಬಂದ ಯಾತ್ರಿಕರು ನಾವು. ಅಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನ ದೇಗುಲದ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಜರಾಗಿರುವ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಯುಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನನ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು, ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮತ್ತು ತ್ಯಾಗವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದ ಶಾಂತತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಲು ಬಹುಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಸದಾ ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಟ್ಟ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂದು ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ನಡುವೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಜರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೌರವದ ವಿಚಾರ. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಗಲು ಜನರಿಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿದು ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ನೂರ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗದಿಂದ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಯಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸರ್. ಶಮ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೆಹತಾಬ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ HOD ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅವರ ಜೀವ. NGOನಲ್ಲೂ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಇರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೌರವ ತರುವ ವಿಷಯ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಇಂದಿರಾ HV ರವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗದಿಂದ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯ ವೃಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಸದಾ ಉತ್ಸಾಹಭರಿತರಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಜದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮೆಹತಾಬ್ ದುರೇಸ್ ಖಾನ್ರವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸರ್. ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಅವರು ಆನರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಹತಾಬ್ ದುರೇಸ್ ಖಾನ್ ಸರ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಹುಮಾ ಸಹೇರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಆದರದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯ HM ಅವರು ಆನರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೇವಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನ, ದೂರದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ, ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಅವರ ಯತ್ನವು ಅನನ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಬಡ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಔಷಧಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಮಾಜದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಉತ್ತಮದಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ತೋರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ದೊರಕಿವೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಪ್ರಿಯದರ್ಶಿನಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು. ಸದಾ ಚೈತನ್ಯಭರಿತರಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫರೀದಾ ರೆಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾ ಖಾನ್ರವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಅವರು ಹಾನರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಅವರು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಆದರದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ಈ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Thank you, Mala Miss. A leader is the one who lights the path to impossible and makes those who follows their great heights. So I request our pillar of strength and constant source of motivation, our Honorable Principal Dr. Farida Khan Ma'am, to present school report, followed by school report by students of class 9th and 10th.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, indeed, it is a wonderful day for me. Parents, why? We are completing 40 years of our journey. Thank you. Respected chief guest on the dais, most respected Mr. N.D. Mulla Sarji, Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime Branch, Bangalore. Dear Indiraji, HOD Engineering College, retired Oxford College. Dear Assistant Commissioner, he has not come. President of the school, Mr. Mahtab Durrais Khan. Mrs. Huma Sahar Sahiba. HM of the school, Mrs. Hashmi ji. Primary HM, Mrs. Mala Satish. All the sincere teachers, very dear parents. Least but not the last, very, very dear student. To you all, very good afternoon. Yes, I am here. I have never imagined that after 40 years, sir, I will be standing here. Yes, when I started this school, before that, after finishing my MA in Urdu and Political Science, I appeared for IAS, IPSC exam. But twice I completed main exam but could not able to do prelims. Then I opted for, because my husband forced me, no, you must do his KAS. I appeared, I completed. My interview was completed, I was successful. But at the end, what happened? It was not able to complete. Then I joined Amanat Bank, main branch, JC Road. I started working there. But I was not satisfied. I want to do something for the community. I used to see. Then I decided to start the school. I should have started the school anywhere in the posh area. Sir, because at that time when I started the school, dear parents and dignitaries on the dais, Oxford school started. Because we are still in the high school, whereas those people, they have started engineering colleges, medical colleges and whatnot. Because the thing is this, we are away from the city. At that time where we are running the school, it was totally a big pond. There was no electricity, no water, no roads, sir. At that time, people settled there were. Now it is a posh area. Were from the BD working, Agarbatti working people. So they were not sending the children to the student. I and my bhabi, her son is standing here, Akhila bhabi, she passed away. We visited door to door. I convinced the parents to send the students to the school, children to the school. Like that, we started the school from nursery to first, first to 7th to high school. We started from one child, sir. Now, Alhamdulillah, we are having the nearly 500 students. And from every year, you believe me, we are giving the 100% SSLC results. This is really an achievement for the school. And these students who could not able to do, with the most of the dropouts we brought back to the schools. The dropouts students, children, sir, they were when if I had not given the admissions, they were dropouts, they were without education. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given me the hidayah. I went, I collected the students and admit the students. Today, sir, they are the engineers, they are the doctors, they are working in the high academics. I am really satisfied, I can say this is the achievement. Now, what is that? Parents, after coming all this year, see, even I am a proud mother also. I have 2 children. One is a businessman, another is a commercial police, assistant commissioner of police, Mr. Shams Tabriz Khan. I think the mother, let it be anything. The mother is only mother. When house is there, when the mother is there, she is a successful wife, she is a successful daughter, then only you can bring up your children. मेरा ऐसा मानना है. बच्चों की तालीम कहते हैं कि बच्चों की तालीम से गफलत नहीं करना चाहिए. ये मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, पेरेंट्स से कहती हूँ, कहाँ भी रहिए, किस तरह भी कहिए, किस तरह भी रहिए, बच्चों को अपने स्कूल में दाखिल कराइए. बच्चों को स्कूल ड्रॉप होने मत दीजिए, क्योंकि स्कूल से हम अकेले स्कूल नहीं चला सकते. बिकॉज कोऑपरेशन होना चाहिए पेरेंट्स का. Parents, I know our parents are very good parents, but you must realize without the support of the parents, without the cooperation of the parents, it is impossible to run any institution. That's why my request is that to the parents, please cooperate with the school, be with the school, so that we can inshallah able to climb the higher ladder. This year, sir, our students are in the UK. Our students are in Abu Dhabi. Our students are in the America. They're all the children. They are from the downtrodden people, BPL area. Those children came. They studied. They finished their engineering. They finished their everything, whatever the education. They changed the destiny of their houses. This is the thing we are doing. That's why I think I am really fortunate for this. I have the support of my children. Even I had the support of my husband. Even the support of my younger sister, Gulzar. With that, also without anybody's support, without when the family is there, when the family is supporting, you can do that. Along with that, so many things are there we are doing. My request is that to the parents, I will take only 2 minutes. अपने बच्चों को, I know you are here to watch your children's. Because you see your children, when a child come on the stage, he needs the determination, he needs the confidence, he needs the memory, he needs the willingness. Then only child will come on the stage and give the performance. You can see our small little kids, how bold they are, with full of confidence, they will come on the stage, they are performing. Please, I want at least when the children are performing, please encourage them so that tomorrow, tomorrow's, they are after 20 years, we want to see these students in the higher way. They were the one who are carrying the burden of their every weight. They are the tomorrow's citizens. They are the tomorrow's citizens. That's why it is the responsibility of the parent, of the school, of the society, of the neighbors, of the relatives to see that child. एक बच्चा अगर ख़राब हो रहा है तो उसका बच्चा ख़राब हो रहा है तो मेरा बच्चा ख़राब हो रहा है, उसका बच्चा ख़राब नहीं हो रहा है. पूरे एक माहौल ख़राब हो रहा है, एक नस्ल ख़राब हो रही है, एक मोहल्ला ख़राब हो रहा है, एक समाज ख़राब हो रहा है. एक बच्चे को बिगड़ने नहीं देना चाहिए. आज का माहौल जिस तरह का माहौल है आप सब जानते हैं, आप सब समझते हैं. आपने वालिदैन मेरे यहाँ पर हैं, आपसे गुजारिश है, आपके बच्चा बेटी हो बेटा कहाँ जा रहे हैं, किस तरह जा रहे हैं, किस उनकी फ्रेंडशिप किसके साथ है, किस लोगों के साथ है, इस पर आपकी तवज्जो, आपके ध्यान होने की बहुत ही ज़रूरत है. Education is a knowledge. Now what is a knowledge? Knowledge is a power. What is ये power? That's what we can see tomorrow, today, artificial intelligence. तो ऐसा वक्त एक में आएगा, लोग कहते हैं आई वांट दिस, आई लीव दिस सब्जेक्ट टू प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द स्कूल, लेट हिम स्पीक, आई डोंट वांट टू गो देर. ऐसा वक्त में आएगा. इसीलिए डिजिटल नॉलेज, डिजिटलाइज का ज़माना, एवरीथिंग इज डिजिटलाइज. आप देखते ही रास्ते में तरकारी वाला जा रहा है तभी उनके पास बाकायदा एक मोबाइल रहेगा, पूरी तरह से पूरे आप होना चाहिए. कौन सा उसके हमारे यहाँ पर HM साहिबा हैं, वो एक ड्रामा तैयार की, बहुत खूबसूरत वो बताने वाले हैं. यहाँ तक कि सर बिलों में ड्यूरिंग द रमज़ान तो गली में पूछते हैं इनके घर में चावल दे रहे हैं, जल्दी आ जाओ, आप कहाँ हैं. दिस इज द डिजिटलाइजेशन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स वाई माई पेरेंट्स आपसे चाहती हूँ एवरीथिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द एजुकेशन. आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू, बिकॉज एजुकेशन, तालीम ज़रूरी नहीं है, तालीम के साथ तरबियत ज़रूरी है. अगर तरबियत के साथ आपका बेटा डॉक्टर हो रहा है, इंजीनियर हो रहा है, IAS हो रहा है, IPS हो रहा है, उस तालीम की कुछ भी अहमियत नहीं है. सबसे पहले अखलाक होना चाहिए, अच्छे किरदार होना चाहिए, जब भी वो तालीम की इज़्ज़त बनती है. इतना कहते हुए मैं आप तमाम पेरेंट्स का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ. थैंक यू, जज़ाकल्लाह खैरा. थैंक यू हशमी.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a marvelous words of wisdom. Now, I request our school students of class 9th and 10th to present school report.
Hello everyone, this is the school captain Juveria from class 10th. It's my great privilege to welcome one and all to the most awaited celebrations of Holy Mother's English School 2024-25. Let's have a look at the magnificent year gone by. Let's welcome all the dignitaries, beloved parents, all the teachers and my friends to this occasion. Umeza, can you put some light on the month of June?
Yes, this academic year 2024-25, our school management has appointed Mrs. Saida Fatima Hashmi as the school headmistress for higher primary and high school, and Mrs. Malamis as primary headmistress. Continuing this year to be known famous for the adage of double engine ki sarkar, along with school admin Mrs. Gulzar Miss and ever supportive Mrs. Afshad Begum. Our class 10 students scored 100% results in SSLC board exams with distinctions and first class. Dikshit scored 91%, 575 out of 625, which added feathers to HMES scraps. Wow, that's remarkable, right? Feel I hope we continue on the same path and bring laurels to our institution. Yumna, can you point out something special about the morning assembly?
Yes, Sumeza, students are provided with great ample opportunity to speak about great personality, subject related to presentation, topic, proverbs and many more. Reading newspaper in English and Kannada language. June. Let us begin with the event of June on the occasion of Environment Day. Every year on June 5th, our school organizes an awareness program to encourage people to take stand on protecting environment. Along with that, Yoga Day was also celebrated on 21st June 2024. That was the longest day of the year. Do you remember the day of our school election, Alicia?
Yes, of course. That was the month of July. It was the mark of parliamentary election. Voting was elected through electronic voting machine, where we all were elected as a school captain, vice captain, sports captain as well. Then we had an investiture ceremony where our principal ma'am, Dr. Farida Khan, coronated us as elected captain. In this month, same remember, traffic awareness program was held. Mr. Venkatesh, Sub-Inspector Jayanagar Police Station, instructed us about traffic rule and issued related to the wheeling minor and vehicle driving cases. This month last event was orientation program was held. This program is the proof to the world that from past 40 years, our principal ma'am brings dropout to the classroom and 20% of the school children were provided free ship, which include book annual fees. Alina, can you put some light on the month of August?
August. In the month of August, we celebrated our Independence Day. India completed the 78 years of independence on 15th August 2024, and we celebrated our Independence Day commenced with flag hoisting, speeches and many cultural events. followed by Foundational Literacy and Numeracy Day. Each day one event was organized. We had TLM Day, teaching learning materials were displayed. Community Day, Eco Clubs for Mission Life Day was organized. Afra, can you put some more light on the month of August?
Yes, we have dance, yoga and Urdu Diniyat classes. This year, not to forget, our school had a tie-up with Vistas Learning for Smart Classes, where a brick projector is installed with smart classes. The learning have become live and interesting. Barsha, can you put some more light on the month of September?
This year, to appreciate and honor the hard work of our sincere and dedicated teachers, our school management on the occasion of the Teachers' Day celebration honored our very dear Anis Fatima Miss of Higher Primary and Afshat Begum Miss of High School with Best Teachers Award. The honoring continued to boost the morale of the studious students and inculcate their healthy competition. Our school provided topper certificate for the students who secured highest marks and A+ in FA2. Zarar, can you recall the month of October?
Yes, very well I can. This is a month where serious studied we did. We had our SA1 examinations. Soon after the SA1 examinations, we had a mass parent-teachers meeting on the last working day before the Dasara holidays. Afia, can you put a light on month November?
Every year on November 1st, our school celebrates Kannada Rajyotsava Day. This year, Kannada Rajyotsava was celebrated by hoisting the national flag and Karnataka flag. Celebration continued by singing Nada Gite, speech and songs spreading the fragrance of Kannada. We also celebrated the Children's Day. Multicultural Day was celebrated by nursery, LKG and UKG students. This month was filled with celebrations. Eid-e-Miladun-Nabi was celebrated. Soon after that, the Festival of Lights, Deepavali festival, was celebrated by burning the effigy of Ravana. Soon after that, parents' Garba competition and Diya decoration competition and quiz competition was held. Can you put some light on the month of December, Zain?
The most exciting activities were witnessed in the month of December. To build greater confidence, self-esteem and to obtain a healthy body, our school had organized various competitions like Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, running race, relay race, Kho-Kho, cooking without fire, relay race, quiz competition and many more competitions. And our principal ma'am along with teachers went to a refreshing trip to a historical place, Chitradurga. And our principal ma'am along with high school students went to a children park where they visited traffic rulers library. Thank you.
January. The new year began with prize distribution ceremony where all the second and third prize winners felt honored and acknowledged. Our principal ma'am honored the winners with medals and certificate. This month we celebrated 26th Republic Day. Not only this was the month of annual day preparation and celebration. Thank you.
Our school management is committed to provide a world-class curriculum and a sound foundation for young children embarking on the journey of creative learning. We are very much blessed to pursue our education in this esteemed organization. Thank you. Have a good day and enjoy the program.
Thank you, my dear students. I request Indra ma'am to address the gathering.
Hi everyone. Say loudly. Hi. No voice. Little bit louder. Respected dignitaries on the dais.
I wholeheartedly welcome our chief guest for today's event, Shams Tabrez Khan Sahib, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Bangalore. Ma'am, it's up to you.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Mr. M.D. Mullah, Deputy Commissioner of Police, and Mr. Shanam Tabrez Khan, Assistant Commissioner of Police, and Farida ma'am. Good evening to everyone. So what is annual day? Everyone is eagerly interested. So all of you are gathered today to celebrate the day. What is this day? Annual day. We don't want to give any speech. The children are waiting eagerly. It's a full day of joy, happiness. So whole year they are waited. What is this day is called special day. All the staff members dedicated the day or whole year in the children progress. So what is education? Education is a power. So all the dear students, so make your education as a power or a weapon and go ahead. According to Swami Vivekananda, all of you have heard that, arise awake,
until you have to reach your goal. So my suggestion or my words to your parents, give the education as much as possible. Make them their weapon. Use this weapon to achieve their goal. So nowadays, as ma'am told that it's a digital world. So as we know that morning starts with a vegetable vendor, he is also going to use what is this called as GPay or ePay. We don't have any money. Just now you arrived and I don't have any cash. I paid through GPay. That is called as digital marketing or digital world. So how it is possible? So this is because of your modern technology or modern world. So what is this? This is education. So make your children to study or do hard work. So you know, I have only one daughter. Now she is in Australia. She's pursued her MS. So everyone used to tell, why you have sent her so far? You have only one child. So I told them, no, it's her own wish. So let her study. Now she is working. So let her stand her own feet. So what I would suggest, all the parents, give your child a education. It is the only one weapon they can use and they can overcome or they can lead their happy life. So what is my suggestion? Give your child education as much as possible. Are you right? So I would like to narrate a short story of 1 minute. Why? What is education? So a well-known famous astronaut, all of you heard about this name? What is his name? Stephen Hawking. So he was suffered from that is a rarely dead disease called as ALS. That is it, which was affected by his nervous system and physically disabled. He had a lot of invention and lot of dream. That is, he has to do something. So his motivation is to achieve something. So physically disabled person, with his, did? So he fixed a motor to his wheelchair and with the help of a computer, he struggled a lot. Daily he was suffered from a disease, deadly rare disease called as nervous system breakdown and physically disabled. Finally he achieved. So well-known famous astronaut, but he is no more. 2018 he lost his life. So but what he taught is that how he achieved? Because of his education. Only one thing we can achieve nowadays is what you are going to do or achieve. So please arise, awake and until you reach the goal. Thank you, Farida ma'am. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you all.
ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಇಂದಿರಾರವರು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಯದೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ತೋರುತ್ತಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬರಲಿ ನಾವು ಸದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಯುಕ್ತರಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶಮ್ಸ್ ತಬ್ರೇಜ್ ಖಾನ್ರವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಿಂದ ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸರ್. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ನೂರ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಮುಲ್ಲಾ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
Now I request Shams sir to address the gathering.
A very good afternoon to all the parents and to all the children. It's a very happy occasion to again be present for another annual school day event. As usual, my mother always includes my name as a chief guest, which I don't ask her to, but still, thank you. I warmly welcome N.D. Mulla Sahab. He is Deputy Commissioner of Police, Karnataka State Police Services. Sir is very, very senior to me. He is already retired since 9 years, 10 years, but he's giving back to society and our community in a very, very valuable way, inspiring children, parents, and society in all walks of life. Thank you, sir, for consenting to be the chief guest for this program. We are very delighted. And likewise, Indra madam, thank you for accepting and coming here as chief guest. You are an asset, and I happen to gamanisidde those speeches and inspirational words from Stephen Hawking. That is very inspiring, madam. So, dear children, how are all of you? I want cheers. Ellaru hegidiri? All are good. All of you have had your lunch? No. Yes or no? Okay. So this will be a cultural program, and we have got N.D. Mullah Sahibro to be addressing you shortly after I hand over the stage. Sir has served remarkable service. He was in the police service for 40 years. And he is a tiger of the department. He retired as Deputy Commissioner of Police, City Crime Branch, Bangalore. Those days, Bangalore City Police, I'm talking of, it's been 12 years since. Yes, sir. Sir has always, I met him on a couple of occasions. And it's always nice to see, sir. He's still fit and young. And he carries the same enthusiasm with him. Thank you, sir. So my message to the children here is, yes, my mother wanted to stress on this aspect. No, please avoid this screen time on mobile phones. It has become an epidemic. बच्चों को हाथ में मोबाइल नहीं देना है. You send them outdoors, physical activities, swimming or some maths or the extracurricular activities. It is very important that screen time, ज़्यादा mobile phones and these things, if you give it to their hand, there is a study by Nimhans where children should not be exposed to these mobile devices till they are 7 years. No, zero screen time. Even उनको ज़रा सख्ती करे तो भी that's okay, but दयविಟ್ಟು गमनिಸಿ, don't give them any mobile phones. It's an addiction. Even I am not able to control my children. So that is the epidemic here. So let us turn it positively. So in that age they don't have control on it. So the parents, they want to just give the mobile phone and they think, but that games and all they're playing, it's an addiction. That's a very, and over the period it will have many developmental issues. So please stress, at least till 7-8 years, give them lot of outdoor activities. Okay. And those of you who are now in 10th standard, you have to become a little serious. These are your board exams. Aapka board exams, we will be meeting, you will be taking your board exams, I think in March, February or March or April. So please see that it's a very competitive world. So बच्चों से यही मेरी दरखास्त है कि parents, you just groom them. So these days 90% all the children are getting. So you must be consistent in your studies. 10th, 11th, 12th. 10th में तो सभी पास होते हैं. But at least you must get a distinction. 11th, 12th. 11th and 12th. Then after that you have got your professional courses. And decide for yourself. There are many opportunities now. It is a knowledge, world of knowledge. There are so many openings. Of course, you will be, after 10th, you're still in your high schools. So 8th, 9th and 10th standard boys, please give attention to your studies. And I request all the parents to have a eye on their children, especially when they are handling their, mobile devices, computers and all that. Sit with them, monitor them. Okay. And as usual, there are many inspirational, motivational quotes. You can always look at Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sahib, isn't it? We always quote him, igniting the minds. So, at least strive or at least come near to him. And there is so much talent in the community. I am seeing the girls are doing better than the boys. लड़के अच्छे पढ़ रहे हैं बच्चों से, because there are a lot of, they tend to stray away, boys. So you must be rooted to your community, to your society, to your deen, and as well as must always remember that we are living in a very beautiful country, in a very beautiful state. Karnataka, it's the most secular state. You go anywhere in India, you will not come across such a beautiful state as Karnataka. Such beautiful people. There is so much secularism, there is so much harmony, there is so much diversity. And Bangalore is, and you are living in Bangalore, which has got so many opportunities, so many educational institutions. You have the best here. So parents say, Guzarish hai ke you groom your children, and when they at the right moment, you have to keep motivating them to be the best. With this few words, I thank all the parents, all the teachers here, and my mother and my brother, for just giving me the opportunity to speak here. Thank you. Thank you. You can just address it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your ever supportive and encouraging speech. Now I request Mehtab, sir, the president of our school, to address the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Namaskara to everybody. Today is a wonderful day for all children. It is a very important day even for us as a school. This is our 40th annual day celebration. It's a milestone which has been achieved mainly by my mother and her dedication to education, her dedication to changing lives of little ones, taking education to every step, every door, every nook and corner of this place around JP Nagar, where people have appreciated, children have grown, children have received good education, moved on to be big leaders. If not leaders, at least they've done very well in life, become big software engineers, businessmen, doctors, teachers, and in different aspects of life, they've gone and done very well for themselves. And that, today being the 40th year, we are very, very happy, and I hope we really want to share this happiness with all of you. Thank you for all your support, teachers. Thank you for all your support, parents and children, and for taking us through this wonderful journey of 40 years in education. I was wondering what I should really stress upon. I was not getting any ideas how to present myself today and what should I talk about. But I think all the chief guests here stressed upon a point which I think I'll stress a little more. Society, some people have made it very well in life, but it is about giving back to society. What you can give back, what you have achieved in life has to eventually go back to people who are less privileged, who are not very fortunate, who are not as best as all of us here, like you and me. So many big corporates here have started something called as corporate social responsibility. Big companies, I'm sure you've heard of companies like Infosys, Wipro, to name a few, the biggest giants, and they are fortunately from our great city, Bangalore, Karnataka. So these companies take corporate social responsibility very, very seriously. They cover a lot of topics from education and health care and a lot of other issues that are covered that are to do with women and women welfare also. So at the end of the day, what you make, what you do, what you receive to yourself has to eventually go back into the society, deep into those roots. It has to help people who are not doing well. Not everybody can do well in life. You aim to do big, you aim to grow. But also, when you're growing, you should help people who are there, who are much less fortunate by you. Give them the opportunity which they don't have access to. Give them the financial aid which they cannot access to, and help them grow in life. So the strive is towards in that direction, including from all of us in our family. We have tried to do as much as we can. We have done for a lot of people. We try to do. We are trying to do. We would have failed a lot of times, but still that is the goal, and eventually we'll make sure that we do our best in this direction. And may the Almighty bless all of us to do this. So, coming to another quick topic is where Indians have gone global. Indians who have, today India is almost being positioned as a leader in every aspect. It is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. So all the countries from all the nations want to come to India and establish their business here. Be it software, be it automobile, be it telecommunication, be it space and research, etc., etc., etc. All the big companies coming here to coming into our soil to exploit the talent that we've got. Today, big companies like Microsoft is headed by an Indian, Satya Nadella. Then we have Sundar Pichai, who is heading, I'm sure you all know. So Sundar Pichai is heading Google. Google, I'm sure you all know what Google is, right? Google today, we practically cannot live without Google. Everything, if you know, they say if there is no God, there is Google. So Google is such a powerful tool of communication. You can get any information just by clicking and to know you want to do, and that has gone one step further ahead by the advent of something called artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence has itself come out with a lot of tools. Today you want to prepare a speech, you can just tell ChatGPT, please prepare a speech on this topic, on this location. I want to talk like this, I want to sound like this. It will give you a speech in like less than a fraction of a second. So that's how fast and speedy technology is developing, and it's just going to get faster and crazier from here. We should all be prepared. Nobody is prepared for this kind of development in the world. But we should accept what is going on, try to catch up with that future. Create innovations, create bright minds, give them education like my brother, like my mother, and Mrs. Prabhavati, all of them stress. Give the best education to your children that you can. Education will change lives. Education will give you access to the world. Education is the key. Education is the bridge. Education is the yardstick to measure everything. If you educate your children in the right direction, it will pay off eventually. So keep doing the best that you can. Keep nurturing them with the best you can. Today, like I said, Indians have conquered the world literally. At least 10, nearly 20 big companies of the world like Google, Microsoft, Adobe, PepsiCo, you name it. I think Oracle and all of these have CEOs that are all of Indians, or either Indians or of Indian origin. So to grow, the sky is the limit. So make sure you are not depriving your children of good quality education and keep them motivated. Teach them to give back to the society. As an individual, you might want to start a new business, you might have entrepreneurial skills, but you can fail. I have failed many times. I have failed many times, but it is how strong your will is to come back. You have to have the will to get back. You have to have the will to come, and all this a part of education. How it roots you, how your parents have brought you up. Change your mindset and come back. So you will eventually and finally definitely achieve what is in store for you in your destiny, your great goal in this great country. I hope I have made little sense of what I have spoken. I wish you all a wonderful day today, and congratulations again on the 40th anniversary, and thank you so much. Wish you a wonderful evening.
Thank you, sir, for creating an awareness on corporate social responsibility. So, sir,
जिगर थाम के बैठो, अब हमारी बारी है. You see, I thought of so many things before coming to the stage, before coming here. But as it is, हमें कहते जो आते कहते सभी कहने की बातें हैं, ना हम कहते ना वो सुनते. The worst part of any function is speeches. I know you are already bored by our speeches, but यहाँ आने के बाद में मेरे पे 14 तबक रोशन हो गए. पता नहीं कैसे. ये मिसेस फरीदा हैं जिनको मैं 10 साल से जानता हूँ, नहीं जानता था कि 40 साल से स्कूल चला रही हैं. मैं नहीं जानता कि उनका एक बेटे का नाम चांद है और एक बेटे का नाम सूरज है. नहीं जानता था कि उनकी एक बहू है जिसका नाम सहर है. शहर का मतलब स्पेल होता है, स्पेल इन इंग्लिश. I was really spellbound by her beauty. Perfect match, perfect woman. Then I met Mrs. Indra. But surprisingly, she has only one daughter. मैं जब उनसे कहा कि मेरे 4 बच्चे हैं, 4 बच्चे में 2 लड़के हैं, 2 लड़कियां, 2 लड़के कनाडा में रहते हैं पिछले 30 साल से. मुझे कोई काम नहीं है, मगर बेटियों को दूर नहीं कर सका मैं. But when I told Indra, how can you live without your daughter? She said she has chosen her course. Imagine the importance of education today. Sacrifices a mother is doing. Nothing like that. The best example I am seeing it today. On this stage, I have seen the world. बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि सब कुछ परफेक्ट हो रहा है. मैं चंदे पॉइंट्स जॉट डाउन करके आया था, पता नहीं पॉइंट्स पे आऊंगा नहीं आऊंगा पता नहीं, मगर जनरली आई वांट a few feelings are there. By profession I am a police officer. सबको नेगेटिव देखता हूँ. कोई भी अच्छी चीज हो मैं उसमें बुराई ढूंढता हूँ. पता नहीं वो आ गया है, मगर by passion I am an educationist. मेरे गांव में मैं एक स्कूल चलाता हूँ मेरे बाप के नाम पे. यहाँ पे मैंने एक स्कूल खोली, बहुत अच्छी स्कूल थी, वंडरफुली गुड स्कूल, ब्यूटीफुली फर्निश्ड, तकरीबन 1 एकड़ में, 10 साल से ज्यादा नहीं चला. पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि हम अच्छा करें, एक अच्छे बच्चे की तामीर करें, ये कौम के नशोनुमा करें. पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे हमारे पड़ोसी बच्चों से अच्छे हों. सबकी यही काविश है. मगर याद रखो एक बात, इकबाल का एक और शेर याद आ रहा है मुझे इस वक्त पे, अगर आप समझ सको तो, ये फैज़ान करम था या के मकतब की करामत थी. ये फैज़ान करम था या के मकतब की करामत थी. किसा सिखाए किसने इस्माइल को आदाब फर्जंदी. जब हज़रत इस्माइल अलैहिस्सलाम को हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम कुर्बानी के लिए लेके जा रहे थे, उनको मालूम था इस्माइल को कि मेरी गर्दन काटी जा रही है, तो भी हो गए. किसने सिखाया उनको? ये कुदरत खुद किया करती है, लाला की हिनाबंदी. हमसे कुछ नहीं होता है, अल्टीमेटली इट हैपन्स. डोंट यू मच क्रेडिट टू योर सेल्फ. ऑल द टीचर्स, ऑल्दो द टीचर्स जॉब इज वंडरफुली ब्यूटिफुल जॉब, उससे अच्छा कोई जॉब हो नहीं सकता, मगर एट द सेम टाइम अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट इज़ ए कर्स्ड जॉब. ये कोई भी ज़िंदगी में कोई भी टीचर ना बने, बहुत तकलीफ होती है. बच्चों को हैंडल करना इतना मुश्किल काम है. तुम 2 बच्चों को नहीं हैंडल कर सकते अपने घर में, ये बच्चों को 40-50 बच्चों को, शरीर, खुदा की कसम इतने शरीर. मैं एक स्कूल को हेड कर रहा हूँ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर हूँ. मैं एक स्कूल हेड कर रहा हूँ, वीके उबैदुल्ला स्कूल, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है, वक्फ बोर्ड ने अडॉप्ट किया है. वहाँ पे मुझे बदकिस्मती से या खुशकिस्मती से उसका हेड बनाया है. खुदा की पनाह यार, मैं तंग आ गया हूँ. मैं हर रोज़ चाहता हूँ कि खुदकशी कर लो, मगर कर नहीं पाता. इतना तकलीफ और रिजल्ट. हर कोई इतना शरीर है, हर कोई छोटे छोटे बच्चे. अब बताओ टीचर्स कैसे हैंडल करते होंगे? हैं? तो मैं उनके लिए एक शेर बोलूँगा, नशा पिला के गिराना तो सबको आता है, मज़ा तो जब है कि गिरतों को थाम ले साक़ी. ये वो साक़ी हैं जो गिरतों को थामते हैं, बच्चों को देखते हैं. और एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ है, ये एक चीज़ है कि बच्चों को जब देखते हैं तो नहीं देखते कि ये काला है, ये गोरा है, इसकी नाक सीधी है, इसकी आंखें मत भरी हैं, इसकी खूबसूरती है, ये लंबा है. कुछ नहीं देखते, उनको सब में भगवान नज़र आता है, सब में ब्यूटी नज़र आती है, उनको ब्यूटी नज़र आती है. तो मैं जनरली एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि वी ऑल शुड अभी तबरेज नहीं, अपना बच्चे ने क्या मेहताब मेरा चेहरा, एक बहुत खूबसूरत गाना था, पुराने ज़माने वाले जानते होंगे, राज कपूर का, मेहताब तेरा चेहरा. तो मेहताब मतलब एक खुशी का एक माहौल क्रिएट करता है. तो कुछ बोल रहा था मैं, तो मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं कि हमको बच्चों में सिर्फ एक ही चीज करो, एक ही चीज, परफेक्ट हो जाएंगे। वो क्या है? एहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम। कलाम पाक की पहली सूरे की ये एक आयत जो सारे कलाम पाक का निचोड़ है। हमारे मौलवी लोग, यहाँ कोई मौलवी हो तो मुझे माफ़ फरमाएं, मैं अपने अंदाज में तफसीर कर रहा हूँ, गलत हो तो प्लीज़ माफ़ फरमाओ। तो बाप, बिकॉज मौलवी कहाँ से ढूंढ के लाते हैं तफसीर मालूम नहीं मुझे। एहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम, इसका मतलब क्या है? आए अल्लाह मुझे सीधे रास्ते पे चला। सिर्फ इतना ही। सीधा रास्ता क्या है? सीधा रास्ता एस्थेटिक्स है। एस्थेटिक्स क्या है? अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ ब्यूटी है। ब्यूटी क्या है? लंबाई, खूबसूरती, गोरा रंग, सीधी आंखें, नशेली आंखें, अच्छी आवाज। खूबसूरती ये न है, खूबसूरती हर चीज में अच्छाई ढूंढना है। एस्थेटिक सेंस बोलते हैं। अहदना सिरातल मुस्तकीम जब हम बोलते हैं तो अल्लाह से हम दुआ करते हैं, अल्लाह हमें सीधे रास्ते पे चला। सीधा रास्ता क्या है? अल्लाह हमें नेक के रास्ते पे चला। सीधा बात करने का तरीका दे, सीधा बैठने का तरीका दे, सीधा खाने का तरीका दे। सीधा एक चीज भी हम रखते हैं, अभी मैं वहां पे मेरा गार्लैंड रख रहा था, वो यूं पड़ रहा, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा। हर चीज में सीधी होनी चाहिए, हर चीज में परफेक्शन होनी चाहिए। है जुस्तजू की खूब से है खूब तर कहाँ, अब देखिए ठहरती है जाकर नजर कहाँ। ये होना चाहिए हर इंसान में। बच्चों में इंकलकेट करो ये बात। पढ़ाना वढ़ाना कुछ नहीं, गूगल सब नॉलेज दे रहा है आजकल। तुम कुछ नहीं पढ़ा सकोगे। तुमको अगर बच्चे को परफेक्ट करना है तो उनको एस्थेटिक सेंस दो। एस्थेटिक सेंस क्या है? एहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम, ऐ अल्लाह हमें सीधे रास्ते पे चलाने की तौफीक अता फरमा। हमको हर इंसान पे रहम करने की। एहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम, सीधा रास्ता रहम करने का रास्ता है। सीधा रास्ता देने का रास्ता है। सीधा रास्ता प्यार करने का रास्ता है। सीधा रास्ता ढंग से खाने का रास्ता। ऐसा नहीं कि बिरयानी है खूब खा लो आज, वो रास्ता नहीं है। जितना चाहिए उतना ही खाने का रास्ता है। नहीं 7 मिनट 8 मिनट कुछ नहीं होंगे, मैं जब तक बोलूँगा मुझे बोलने दो। मैं बिकॉज बच्चों को देख के आपको देख के दिल बड़ा खुश हो रहा है। हम भी कभी बच्चे थे तो बच्चों को देख के, एक गाना था, एक बहुत पुराना गाना, आप लोगों को शायद सुना होगा। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता बबलू डबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू करके। मतलब बच्चों को देख के एक एहसास हो रहा है कि हम भी कभी बच्चे थे। अगर जिंदगी क्या है यार, जिंदगी अल्टीमेटली नथिंग, अल्टीमेटली इट इज नथिंग। अगर कुछ भी अच्छा ही, अभी अब ये बच्चा बोल रहा था अपना, बड़ा अच्छा लगा मेहताब, सोसाइटी को कुछ दो। दुनिया ने तजुर्बा तो हवादिस के शक्ल में जो कुछ मुझे दिया वही लौटा रहा हूं मैं सोसाइटी को अगर न दोगे तो पैदा होके क्या फायदा? सबसे पहला हमारा फर्ज मेरे मुल्क की तरफ है, दूसरा मेरी सोसाइटी की तरफ है, तीसरा मेरी कम्युनिटी की तरफ है, चौथा मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरे खानदान की तरफ है। इन सबके काम नहीं आए तो कोई फायदा नहीं, कोई फायदा नहीं। तुम्हारी जिंदगी, तुम्हारा मकसद, तुम्हारा आना कुछ भी नहीं है। पेरेंट्स के लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि डोंट स्ट्रेस मच टू द चिल्ड्रन। चिल्ड्रन हैव देयर ओन साइक। तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे बहुत मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं। पहले हमारे ज़माने में अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं थे। मुझे कॉलेज जाना, हाई स्कूल जाना होता तो 100 किलोमीटर पे जाना होता। आज वो नहीं है, 1 किलोमीटर पे हाई स्कूल है। और पहले हमारे पास फीस के लिए पैसे नहीं हुआ करते थे। कितनी फीस? 13 रुपये। कॉलेज की फीस मुझे याद है BA 1 की 13 रुपये नहीं थे। आज वो हालात नहीं है। तुमको एक बात मालूम होनी चाहिए कि SC ST कारपोरेशन, माइनॉरिटी कारपोरेशन, माइनॉरिटी का एक बच्चा अगर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करने इंग्लैंड जा रहा है तो उसको 10 लाख रुपए के स्कॉलरशिप है, लोन नहीं। लोन अलग है 15 लाख रुपए का, विदाउट इंटरेस्ट लोन है। पढ़ने वाले के लिए तू ही नादान चंद कलियों पर क़नाअत कर गया, वरना गुलशनों में इलाजे तंगी दामा भी है। तुम चुन लो फूल जितने चाहते, पढ़ लो जितना चाहते हो, हर कोई तुमको सपोर्ट करेगा। अभी बोल रहा था बच्चा ये मेहताब कारपोरेट सेक्टर आ रहे हैं फॉरवर्ड हेल्प करने के लिए। हम बहाने करते हैं, हमारे बच्चे 10 बहाने करते हैं। क्या बहाने? हमारा क्या साहब, हम गरीब हैं साहब, कहाँ? अरे यार हम लोग एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल शेर है इकबाल का, क्या है वो? तो हम तो देने थे, तू ही माइले करम न, हम तो माइले करम थे, कोई सवाल ही न रहा। अल्लाह ताला फरमाते हैं मैं देने के लिए बैठा हूं यार, देने के लिए बैठा हूं। पूछो, मुझसे पूछो, पूछ नहीं रहे। वो दामन फड़ा हुआ है, तुम एमए करो, बीए करो, कारपोरेट जाओ, कहीं ना कहीं जाओ, दुनिया के दूसरे कोने में जाओ, हर चीज तुम्हारे लिए आओ, मगर दिल होना चाहिए। अगर दिल नहीं है, जज्बा नहीं है, मैं यहाँ चढ़ता हूँ, मैं यहाँ मरता हूँ, मैं फुटाने बेचता हूँ, मैं क्या वो केले बेचता हूँ। मेरा अब फॉर एग्जांपल मैं सब इंस्पेक्टर था कबन पार्क में। कबन पार्क इज ए प्लेस वेयर विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन। आई वर्क देयर फॉर 15 years। मैं जब भी कौन सा BRE थिएटर के पास जाता था, एक बंदा था, वो गन्ने का रस निकालता था, मुस्लिम बॉय था, गन्ने का रस, उसके साथ एक बच्चा ठहरा रहता। मैं एक दिन ऐसे ही आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी में पूछा उसको, क्या पढ़ता है? नहीं साहब मेरे साथ रहता है। मैं बोला मैं उसे फीस देता हूँ, उसे स्कूल भेजो। वो भेजने के लिए तैयार। क्या करता साहब स्कूल जाको? मैं रोज़ 300 रुपये कमाता हूँ। 300 रुपये का तो बहुत बड़ी बात उस ज़माने में। एक महीने को 9,000 रुपये, मैं बोल रहा हूँ 1986 की बात है, 9,000 रुपये कमा दूँ साहब। इन्हें 9,000 रुपये कमाए तो बस तो साहब। अरे कांस्टेबल बनाए यार उसको, सब इंस्पेक्टर बनाए यार उसको, एक ब्यूरोक्रेट बनाए यार, कुछ तो बना, उसको पावर आएगा। मानने को तैयार नहीं हो। तो ये माइंडसेट जाना चाहिए हमारा। बाकी के बहाने हैं सब कुछ सारा कुछ बहाने। माइनॉरिटी कमिश्नर में हमारे IG साहब बैठे हुए हैं, निसार अहमद साहब, वो कोशा है कि किस तरह हमारे बच्चे पढ़ेंगे। गांव-गांव जाके बोल रहे हैं, स्कूल्स हैं हमारे। तो कोई, दिस इज अ सेक्युलर कंट्री, this is a secular country, everything will happen here, don't lose hope, nothing is going to happen, we will survive, continue to survive। ये ज़माना हमारा कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं सकेगा। नो पर्सन, मैं पॉलिटिकल नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, कोई लॉ कुछ भी हमें बर्बाद नहीं कर सकेगा। ये फूंकों से ये चिराग बुझाया न जाएगा। हरकत पे खंदाजन, एक शेर है, ब्यूटीफुल शेर है। कुफ्र की हरकत पे खंदाजन, हंस रही है कुदरत कुफ्र की हरकत पे, फूंकों से ये चिराग बुझाया न जाए। फानूस बन के जिसकी हिफाजत हवा करे, वो शम्मा क्या बुझे जिसे रोशन खुदा करे। हम नहीं बुझने वाले हैं, हम सरवाइव करेंगे, हम जी उठेंगे। जैसे एक और नाम बताया था हमारे, क्या नाम, आफ्ताब मेहताब की अहलिया का नाम हुमा। हुमा क्या है? हुमा एक परिंदा है जो मरता है, जलता है, फिर अपने ऐशे से उठता है। इस्लाम को कुदरत ने एक ऐसी लचक दी है, जितना इसे दबाएंगे उतना ही उभरेगा। तुम बिल्कुल मायूस होने की जरूरत नहीं। पढ़ाओ बच्चों को, तालीम दो, एस्थेटिक सेंस दो उनको, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम दो। सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम क्या है? अहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम है। सच्चाई खुदा है, खुदाई सच्चाई है, और ये दोनों मिलकर खूबसूरती बनती है। सारे तीनों चीज़ों का एक ही नाम है, सच्चाई, एस्थेटिक सेंस, अहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम। किड्स ने क्या कहा है? किड्स मैडम के सामने मैं ज़्यादा लिटरेरी बोलना डर लगता है, मुझे पकड़ लेंगी मुझे गलत बोला तो। किड्स ने कहा है ट्रुथ, ब्यूटी, ट्रुथ, दैट्स व्हाट वी ऑल नीड टू नो। फिनिश। हमें कुछ भी जानने की जरूरत नहीं। अगर हमको सेंस ऑफ खूबसूरती आ गया, रहमदिली आ गई, गरीबों को समझना हमने सीखा, तो और दुनिया को देना सीखा, तो और कोई तालीम की जरूरत नहीं, बाकी का खुद ब खुद आ जाएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थक गई।
Thank you so much, sir, for such a power-packed speech. Thank you so much. Now, I request Mala Miss to announce winners' names.
Running race first prize, LKG Aiza Siddiqui, UKG Arfa Khanam, Huwais Khan, 2nd standard. Aliya Mehak, 1st standard. SK Rizwan, 3rd standard. 4th standard, Misbah Firdos. Ayman Nadir, 3rd standard, Kirtana. Higher primary running race, Mohammad Hamim. 5th standard, Rahul A. 7th standard, Mohammad Sufian Farweed, 6th standard. Sri Jala, 6th standard. Deepa, 7th standard. Isna Mehak, 6th standard. High school running race, Mohammad Ali, 10th standard. Mohammad Sufian, 10th standard. Ashmita, 10th standard. Zaveria Sumbul, 10th standard.
May I request our chief guest, Mr. Mullah sir, to do the honors. Next.
For the sports events.
Either running race, first prize. All LKG to 10th standard running race, first prize students.
Sports events.
Identification of colors. LKG Aiza Siddiqui, first prize. Mohammad Razin Zain, first prize. Musical chair, UKG musical chair, Arfa Khanam, first prize. Mohammad Harhan, first prize. Uniform wearing, Bhumita N, first prize. First standard, Bhumita N. First standard, Ilyas Mansur, first prize. Playing with numbers, third standard, Mohammad Mannan, first prize. Zafira Taj, first prize. 3 legs race, Syed Suhan, first prize. Ayman Nadir, first prize. Slow cycle race, Dharmaraj, 5th standard. Abdul Atik, 5th standard. Aditya Lama, 7th standard. Takiya Ambar, 6th standard. Aditya Lam, 6th standard. Relay race, Konain, 7th standard. Deepa P, 7th standard. Takiya Fatima, 6th standard. High school relay race, Javeria Sumbul, 10th standard. Syed Afia Fatima, 9th standard. Syed Umeza, 9th standard. Mohammad Sufian, 10th standard. Yes, Kamal Pasha, 8th standard. Syed Usman, 10th standard. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹಾಂ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಈಗ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಲ್ಮಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್.
Higher primary girls Coco team, winner Coco team, Bibi Fatima captain, Adiba Anjum, Konain, Sara Fatima, Chaitanya B, Umraz Taj, Sabah Firdos, Sadhana Sundus, Siri Jala Singh, Akshita N. Bibi Fatima Coco winners. Bibi Fatima captain, Adiba Anjum, Konain, Sara Fatima, Chaitanya, Umraz Taj, Sabah Firdos, Sadhana Sundus, Sirijala Singh, Akshita N. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಲಾಮ್ captain, Prem Charan, Rahul A, Syed Kais, Sheikh Firdos Ali, Mohammad Annan Asnain, Mukesh Sarki, Danush R, Mohammad Uzefa, Abhay Surya, Mohammad Anas.
Next, high school throwball girls winners Juveria Sumbul, Saida Umeza, Saida Afia Fatima, Ashmita, Bibi Sara, Alima Sultana, Deepa P, Afra Kausar. We have the best player in throwball, Aksa Firdos from runner-up team. Followed by volleyball winners Sufyan Yes, Kamal Basha, Muhammad Abdul Munaf, Karthik Balan, Gautam Yes, Muhammad Arfat Pasha, Abdul Manan. Finally, the best player of volleyball, runner-up team Muhammad Zain.
स्कूल से पेरेंट्स के लिए स्पोर्ट्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए थे। जिन मदर्स ने सिर्फ मदर्स के लिए हिस्सा लिया था उनके नाम बुलाते हैं। फ़ौरन आप स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ लाएं। मदर्स विथ ह्यूज कंग्रेचुलेशन, लेट अस गिव देम बिग क्लैप प्लीज। देयर आर द मदर्स।
Parents games, indoor games, Diya decoration competition, Noori first prize, mother of Misha Fatima, Shabana Taj second prize, mother of Madiha Kulsum, Arshia Sultana third prize, mother of Amira Sultana.
Along with the Indra, please come and join to honor the parents. Shazia Shams, please come. Shazia Khan.
Diya decoration competition, Noori first prize, Shabana Taj second prize, Arshia Sultana third prize.
Third prize.
Oh, Arshia Sultana, I called.
Please come, let us.
Quiz competition, Shirin Taj first prize, mother of Zoha Taj, Amreen second prize, mother of Hafsa Siddiqui, Arshia Sultana third prize, mother of Alina UKG. Parents are once again quiz competition, Shirin Taj first prize, Amreen second prize, Arshia Sultana third prize.
Very enterprising person, Shirin Taj. She is also my student. Now her daughter is studying in our school. First prize. Congratulations, Shirin. Second prize.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಬೇಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
Second prize. Amreen Taj, second prize. Yes.
Arshia Sultana third prize.
Second prize, Amreen Taj. Congratulations, ma'am. Always very enthusiastic. Yes, third prize.
Arshia Sultana.
Arshia Sultana, third prize. Ma'am, please stand in. Congratulations, ma'am.
Parents are asked to come fast. Outdoor games, book balance, Mrs. Amreen Taj, first prize, mother of Hafsa Siddiqui.
Again,
Mrs. Amreen Taj, second prize, Muhammad of Hasnain Fatima. Harmain Fatima.
Amreen, our school teacher also, her daughter is studying in our school. Huge congratulations, Amreen.
No, only two.
Good.
Musical chair, first prize, Ramshila, first prize.
Musical chair, always fighting for the chair, sir. First prize.
Mother of Zain Abubakar, UKG. Second prize, Amreen Taj.
Ramshila.
Amreen Taj.
Ramshila.
Mother of Hafsa Siddiqui. Mrs. Noori, third prize. Mother of Misha Fatima.
First prize. Salma, first prize.
Ramshila, first prize. Amreen Taj, second prize. Noori, third prize.
Congratulations. Yes. Second prize. Yes. Congratulations, mothers.
Next, dance competition. Mrs. Shirin Taj, first prize, mother of Zoha Taj, Mrs. Shabana Taj, mother of Bibi Fatima.
This was really very tough competition. Dance competition, please on the stage, children. Parents, Mrs. Shirin Taj and Mrs. Shabana Taj.
Congratulations, parents.
Congrats to both of you. Thank you.
Now, today we, the management of Holy Mother's English School, proudly present the academic stars of our school, the top performing students who have consistently demonstrated exceptional dedication and hard work, achieving outstanding result across all the subjects. From the past 4 years, these students have topped in SLC board exams. I request our principal ma'am to do the honors. Firstly, I would like to call Sindhu, who scored 528 of 625, 85% in the year 2020-21, completed her PUC in NMKRV. Currently, she is pursuing her engineering with CSE stream in KSIT College, Bangalore. Sindhu, always known for her soft approach, obedience, commitment for learning. Congratulations, Sindhu. I request the parents to come along with her. Sindhu, call your parents to join you. Secondly, I would like to call Tanas Fatima, who scored 590 out of 625, 95% 2021-22 batch, known for her beautiful smile and creativity, obedience and fast grasping power. She completed her PUC with PCMB combination in Christ University, Hosur Road. She secured 100 out of 100 in Hindi and social science. Currently, she is pursuing engineering with information science stream in AMCE College, Bangalore. I request parents of Tanas to come along with her. Now, thirdly, I would like to call Tarun P, who secured 510 out of 625, securing 82% in the year 2022-23. Tarun always remembered for his innocence and soft approach. All work always submitted on time. He secured 99 in Kannada. Now he is currently pursuing his PUC with PCMCS stream in Vijaya Bifurcated College, Jayanagar, Bangalore. Lastly, I would like to call upon stage Dikshit Yam along with his parents, who secured 567 out of 625 with 91% in the year 2023-24. Dikshit always being shyful, giving angry young man looks. Always he would be eager to solve math sums with very sharp recalling memory. He scored 100 out of 100 in Kannada, 98 in social science. I request parents of Tarun and Dikshit to join us on the stage. The clap should not stop. Come up. Change. Tarun. Zain. The effort of the students has to be appreciated, and we thank to the parents for their encouragement and support throughout.
Thank you.
बहुत बड़ी बात है मदर की शादी से साड़ी देखी
See, one more thing I want to tell you, rather two things, sir, since mic has come. Please remember, तुम्हारा बच्चा, your child, however intelligent he may be, language is very important. Language, तुम भले कुछ भी नहीं सीखे, language you should be perfect. Because कन्नड़ा में कहावत है, भाषे बंदवनु बरगालदली बदक बंदा. तुम्हें पढ़ो मत, BA नहीं, MA नहीं, MCOM नहीं, IPS नहीं, लैंग्वेज चाहिए. मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. VK उबैदुल्ला में बदकिस्मती से 32 लड़कों में 28 लड़के कन्नड़ा में फेल. एक लड़की हर चीज़ में 92, 85, 88, कनाडा में फेल, उसको पास कराना कनाडा में कहे तो हमें डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन के पास जाके रिक्वेस्ट करके, मिनिस्टर के पास जाके ग्रेस मार्क्स दिला के, स्पेशल एग्जाम दिला के पास कराए. वेरी वेरी लैंग्वेज, डोंट थिंक दैट एनी लैंग्वेज इज एलियन टू यू. तुम कुछ भी मत पढ़ो, लैंग्वेज पे परफेक्शन रहना. उन्हें 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 कामयाब हो गया. ये दूसरा, एक और चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. बेटियां जो हैं, जब तक अपने माँ बाप के पास हैं, बेटियां हैं, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಆಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ದೇರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಈ ಜಗತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಗಂಡಸರು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಘಟಕದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ, ಮಗಳಿಗೆ, ಸೊಸೆಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ parents should take care of their daughters. They are the perfect thing that God has given to us. Please take care of them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I request our principal ma'am to do the honors.
Sir, we are also clueless. We are also clueless. Just now, madam.
Madam, yaar, parents know.
Thank you. Thank you. She is Rizwana Fatima, housewife, homemaker, but she is an entrepreneur also. She's doing business. Let us give her the big clap, parents, please. I know, parents, because you are waiting here for your children's performance, we'll ask sorry and we'll take another 5 minutes, that's all. Because this is the day. Our students, our teachers, our parents, they want to come on the stage. They want your support, they want your clapping. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to felicitate all teachers who are the backbone of our institution, who have taken care of all the students, and this is an exceptional prize or an award to all the teachers who have got 100% results in the academic year. So starting with Mrs. Mala R for Kannada subject. Can we have a big round of applause, please? Mrs. Mala R, please come on the stage. Which all of them? And second, followed by Mrs. Fatima Hashmi, English, Social, Maths. She is the high school HM. All these are dynamic teachers of our school, been with us for a long time. Mrs. Afshad Begum for Hindi. Can we have you on stage? Then we have Mrs. Arshia Firdos, who takes science. Come on stage, please. Mrs. Arshia. All the teachers, and I'm calling the next. This is done. Next senior teachers list goes on from here. Miss continued again, starting from Mrs. Mala R for the second time. Congratulations. Mrs. Mala, who is wonderful, who takes Kannada, who is also the HM, who's been a very dedicated teacher in our school. We are very, very proud and honored to have her. Thank you, madam. Thank you for your services towards our school. Then Mrs. Fatima Hashmi, very dynamic, English, social, maths, always on the computer, solving out all the problems, bugs, everything that comes. She is wonderful to have in our school. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Mrs. Afsad Begum, who takes Hindi, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan, Hamara, A, I, E, U, all that. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Mrs. Arshia Firdos, science teacher, thank you. for teaching science to us, all our students and making them successful, getting them 100% results. A very big round of applause to all our teachers, please. Thank you. Next, I am going to the senior teachers list very quickly. Mrs. Mala R. You can come back quickly again for being a wonderful teacher. Followed by number 2, second one is Mrs. Saida Fatima Hashmi. Number 3, Mrs. Gulzar Banu. Number 4, Miss Ume Selma. Followed by Mrs. Mubin Taj. Anis Fatima. Afshad Begum. Can I have all of you on the stage, please? Malar, Syed Fatima Hashmi, Gulzar Banu, Ume Salma, Mubin Taj, Anis Fatima and Afsar Begum. Teachers play a very important role in our children's and students' life. They carve society, they carve the future of all our children. Please put a wonderful big hand for all these ladies who take care of our children, who shape our societies. They are one of the most important members of our community. Please, where are the claps? Parents, please, we are almost done. You can see your children coming very quickly. Please continue with the claps. Mrs. Farida is felicitating all of them, and she also extends a wonderful warm welcome. I hope all teachers are on stage. Anybody missed out? Thank you, wonderful teachers. Thank you for your services. We are ever grateful to all of you. Thank you so much.
Mrs. Indra, please kindly honor them. Yes. New teachers, they are new teachers. Highly commendable, very brilliant. Please give them big clap. Thank you all. Thank you, Hani. Thank you, Kalima. Thank you, Vijaya. Thank you, Amreen. Thank you, Neha. Hina. Khudsiya. Amreen Ahmad. She's there on the stage. Amreen Ahmad is there on the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Amreen Ahmad, sir. Amreen Ahmad is Arabic and Urdu teacher. This year we started Urdu from first and second standard. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Sir, last, only one last. May I call on the stage Shahida? Yes. Please, sir, children, toppers, just they were honored, no? Mrs. Deputy Commissioner from the crime branch, don't get scared. He is calling you back on the stage. I want all those toppers to become on the stage. ಈಗ ಟಾಪರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆನರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು 4 ಜನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೀತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 minute ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಸಿಂಧು, ತರುಣ್, our school's very important person, sir. This is the Gandhi's cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Please, they are the very good, they are the best. Congratulations. बहुत मुबारकबाद. बहुत मुबारकबाद. Thank you. Thank you. Tappers, please, only 1 minute will be given to you. You will lose the opportunity. Please come. Tarun, Dikshit, Bega Bani. This is the last. Tanaz, please come on the stage. Tanaz, his father. Dikshit, your parents? Sindhu, your parents? Tanaz, you are there? Yes, please. Sir is calling you. Sindhu? Sindhu, please come on the stage. She's there, she left.
One thing, if somebody from St. Joseph, Bishop Cotton, Narayan scores 80, 85, not a big deal. Somebody scoring from this school 91% is a great thing. It is a great thing. Credit should go to the teachers and to the Madam Mrs. Farida for giving that kind of this thing. As a token of my appreciation. And second thing, our IQ, you know, Muslims, backward classes, our IQ is just 45 to 50. Unlike the IQ of some advanced communities, their IQ is 85 to 150. Their scoring 100 to 100 is not a big thing. Our children scoring, backward class children scoring, even 70 is a big thing. I am really overwhelmed. I want to give a little, not as an encouragement, a little cash prize to all of them so that others are encouraged to do that.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir. As a token of appreciation, sir is going to hand over a token of appreciation to all these toppers from our school. It's a very proud moment. Thank you, sir. Please, parents, clap for them and wish them all the best in their future endeavors. Accept it with grace, sir.
And another thing I want to tell all those poor children, whoever among them, whoever does it, they can always approach me through Madam for any help, any financial help. Little, whatever little we can do, we must do to encourage these children to grow up in life. They are the leaders. They are the leaders of the future. Whatever we have done or not done, we do not know. Our time is over. Future is in their hands. Hope they will create a beautiful society. I would like to recite another couplet from Faiz Ahmad Faiz. ये दाग दाग उजाला ये सर ये दाग दाग उजाला ये सग गजीदा सहर ये वो सहर तो नहीं जिसकी आरजू लेकर चले थे यार के मिल जाएगी कहीं ना कहीं. हम लोग जब स्टार्ट किया हमारी लाइफ हमने सोचा था कि हमें एक परफेक्ट सोसाइटी मिलेगी. 70 पे 5 साल मेरी उम्र, 70 पे 5 साल हो गए हमारी आज़ादी को. एक परफेक्ट सोसाइटी हम नहीं दे सके. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि बच्चे एक अच्छी सोसाइटी देंगे हमें आने वाले जनरेशन के लिए. आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciation. Okay. Thank you.
मौसम है शायराना. Thank you, sir. So now I request all our dignitaries to take their seats reserved in the front row so that we can continue with our set of programs. 40 years of cultivating minds. So let us have a look of it. A legacy of learning. Holy Mother's English School stands as a testament to the transformative power of education. As the school celebrated its 40th anniversary, it's a time to reflect on the rich history of academic excellence, community engagement, and the countless lives impacted by its committing to nurturing young minds. A timeline of triumph. 1984 to 1994, Holy Mother's English School was founded as a unit of Mount Arfat Education Society with the vision to provide quality education to uplift the community and the society. The founders of Holy Mother's English School were late Rahmatullah Khan Sahib and Dr. Farida Khan. The early years were marked by the initial enrollment, construction of key facilities, introduction to innovative programs, creating awareness about the power of education to the people. A decade of growth. 1994-2004, the school experienced a period of significant expansion marked by increased enrollment, new academic programs, expansion of facilities, extension of building. This period also saw the establishment of extracurricular activities, community outreach programs, introduction of computers. Embracing the future 2003 to the present year, the 21st century has witnessed Holy Mother's English School's evolution with a modern institution like adoption of technology, emphasis on global citizenship. The school has consistently adapted to the changing landscape while staying true to its core value. A portrait of excellence, academic achievements. Holy Mother's English School boasts a strong track record of academic success with high graduation rates, college acceptance, academic awards. Extracurricular brilliance. Beyond academics, HMES provides a vibrant platform for the students to explore their passion. Community impact. HMES is deeply rooted in its community. The school actively engages in various community services, initiatives, fostering a sense of social responsibility among students like Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Environment Day, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao Abhiyan. A vision for the future. As HMES embarks on its next chapter, the school remains committed to its founding principle. The vision for the future includes continued academic excellence, providing world-class education that prepares students for success in college and beyond, global citizenship, cultivating responsible global citizenship who are equipped to address the challenges of 21st century, community partnership, strengthening ties with local community through collaborative initiatives like Eid Milad and Dasera and Diwali festival. A note of gratitude. Holy Mother's English School 40 years journey would not have been possible without the unwavering support of its community. The school and the management extends its heartfelt gratitude to the students for their dedication, hard work and spirit. Faculty and staff for their passion, commitment and tireless effort. Parents and alumni for their partnership and unwavering support. Community members for their contribution and belief in school's mission. So looking ahead, as HMES celebrates their milestone, it looks forward to the future with optimism and excitement. The school is poised to continue its legacy of excellence, inspiring and empowering generations to come by fostering a love of learning, emphasizing on critical thinking, problem solving, and critical analysis. We prepare students for global relationship, making them to inculcate social responsibility, sustainability, and global awareness. And Holy Mother's English School, it's not just a name, it's an emotion. A tribute to our Honorable Principal, Dr. Farida Khan. Holy Mother's English School history and its legacy is incomplete without mentioning of a name. The name which needs no introduction. Yes, we are right. We are talking about our very own Dr. Farida Khan. For these 4 decades, our Honorable Principal Ma'am has served as the heart and soul of HMES, guiding its growth, nurturing its student, and shaping its legacy. This tribute celebrates the remarkable contribution of visionary leader whose dedication and commitment have transformed the school into a beacon of academic excellence and community pride. Today, it's not just an annual day, it's a celebration of 40 years of contribution of HMES and our principal ma'am, whose life is a testament to unwavering dedication, selfless service, and a profound impact on the lives of countless individuals. As a social worker, our principal ma'am has tirelessly championed the cause of underprivileged, ensuring the access to education, healthcare, basic necessities for those in need through Al Huda Foundation has transformed countless lives, bringing dignity and opportunity to the most vulnerable members of our society. As an editor for a respected magazine, Zareen Shuai, our principal ma'am has not only disseminated knowledge and fostered critical thinking, but also has provided a platform for diverse voices and perspectives. As a philanthropist, Dr. Farida Khan has consistently demonstrated a deep-seated commitment to giving back to the society. Their generous contribution, a free shift for the students, a free of cost school at Avlahalli, many more school adoption, enabling the lives of many to gain education. She is a dedicated member of Mehfil-e-Nisa and she is the director of Karnataka Muslim Orphanage since from the past 10 years. Dr. Farida Khan, ma'am, impacts extend far beyond the realm of their professional endeavor. Their unwavering kindness, their unwavering support, and her unwavering belief in the inherent goodness of humanity have inspired countless individuals to strive for excellence and to make a positive difference. Today, we celebrate not just the accomplishment of an individual, but the enduring power of compassion, the transformative force of education, and unwavering belief in the brighter future for all. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your unwavering dedication, your selfless service, and for inspiring all of us to live a life of purpose and meaning. To add on to her immense contribution in the field of literature, social work, education, journalism is uncountable. Our principal ma'am, Dr. Farida Khan, has been awarded by Karnataka Rajyotsava Award, the second highest award in Karnataka, Indira Priyadarshini Award, Karnataka Urdu Academy Award, a honorary doctorate by Harvard University, United Kingdom. She has been an editor for Zareen Shuai. She has published her 2 novels, 3 fiction series and a poetry book. I request our principal ma'am to join us on the stage. I request all my colleagues to come over.
Really sorry for the inconvenience caused. This is really not in our agenda. This was a total secret from my HMs and my teachers, my sincere teachers. And I think, yes, it is a part of the student. Once again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience caused. Thank you, Mrs. Hashmi, Mrs. Mala. And Mrs. Mala, we used to call baby of the Holy Mother's English School. Thank you, all of you, Safshat. Each one of you, Guldar, my sister here, please come. Yes, please come. Yes. Thank you all. Thank you once again. Thank you.